Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. Where did that come from? So here I am in my Archer and Olive planner that I use for work, and there is last week's spread where I used a sticker kit from GP Studio along with my Tombow brush pens, and I really love the color combination. Really excited that I was able to use the date covers in this kit as well. I'm trying to really use my stash. So this week, for the week of July 5th through to 6, 7, 8, 9, I will be using Flowers from the Florals sticker book, one of my favorites. And then I decided I pulled these three mild liners and this Tombow brush pen to work with. All right, let's get started. One of the things that I wanted to do differently was just a different way to be able to do the dates. If you guys hear a lot of twinkling, that would be Lucy. So I'm going to write in the date with my mild liner. And I know most people in the States, I'm moving my tail around here, most people in the States would have Monday off, and I work for an American team, but the rest of the supervisors and the majority of the team will be off on the Monday, but because I was off today, Canada Day, I will be working on the Monday instead, which actually works out. So then I'm going to take my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and then actually write in the days of the week. So I've seen Helen of Coffee Monsters Co. do this, and I really like the way that it turned out. It does cover the date up a little bit, but I think the effect is exactly what I want it to be. Alright, I actually really like the look of that. And then in these portions here I use for notes. I'm going to zoom out again. Okay, so on Monday, since the majority of the supervisors, the rest of the supervisors are closed or off that day, I'm just going to put one of these Planner Girl stickers here, and that whole day will just basically be a to-do list. And then hello, I've got my puppy right at my feet here. And I'm actually just going to go in with all of the meetings that I have. So on the 6th, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I'm going to do that with this blue. Now, how do I want to? Okay, I think I'm going to, again, zoom in here and do the brush lettering. And I'm going to do something different with writing meetings on top. Then I'm going to go in with my Uniball Signo and actually just write the word meetings on top, or probably write it a little better the next time. What do you guys think of that? I think it's definitely something a little bit different. So I'm going to go in with my mild liner and put in the circles for my meetings. So I just went in there with my mild liner to add in the dots for my meetings. I'm now going to go in with my Tombow brush pen with my to-do lists and my tasks. Monday is basically just going to be catching up on tasks, so I'm going to start there. If I can pull this pen apart. Alright, so now that I've written in meetings and tasks, I'm going to go in and actually start doing the decoration. I really prefer putting all of these down first before I do the decoration. So what I'm going to do is actually put down, I think I might actually cut part of this off because, whoops, what did I just drop? I dropped marker. Don't want Lucy picking that up. And just placing this here in the corner. Goes over a little bit, but I actually really like it there. Then there are some of these florals, and then these beautiful blue ones, which I do plan on using throughout. So one in this corner here seems appropriate. I think one in this corner. Now, before I even do that, I forgot washi. How could I forget washi? Goodness, Karina. Oh, pretty. How could I forget washi, guys? I'm gonna white out where it says notes, because I know that's this portion I am using for notes. So let's then cover that with a bit of washi so I have a better area to place this down. Oh my gosh, how pretty is that flower? And actually I'm going to create a little bunch here with this. Pretty. Oh, pretty, pretty. Then I'm going to see if I can maybe put a quote in this corner. Are there any quotes in this book? I forget. I don't want to put lovey. I like this one. Live a happy life. Although it is right next to this, so I have to think about kind of what quote do I want to put down there. I love this down here, but I also think I would benefit by putting something up here. Okay, let's do, see, a little bit of washi in this corner, right like so, and just place that right over top. Oh, beautiful. And I feel like now I can go to the smaller florals in the back here because they're just so pretty. And I'll add like a tiny little one there. And some tiny little ones here. Actually a tiny one here. And then I feel like just adding a couple tiny ones around the spread, just because I can. And blue. Oh wow. I actually really love it. I feel like I need something here, so I'm gonna add one more piece of washi. I'm gonna actually make it go across into, and then find a floral to fit in that spot. Ooh. Oh, there's this beautiful purple one, although this purple is here, and I've used that already. I've used that. Let's use, I know what, I'm gonna go with this purple, because I think these are the three florals that I really do want to stick with. Oh, I love that. I still feel like I need something here, so give me 1 second. So I said to myself, why do I need to find a quote? I can just write one myself. So I think I'm gonna do Let Your Dreams Blossom as on this sticker. So I think what I'm going to do, ooh, let's not do that. Start with my Tombow Funosuke. Guys think of that. It's a little quote in the corner, and I feel like then I can add something. Let's put just a little blue of these with the purple. All right. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna zoom out again. Guys, I really love it. Now I feel like this corner feels empty. I'm just piling it on with the florals and the little bit of washi. But compared to my work planner spreads from before, I'm using very few stickers, and I'm really loving the combination that we're getting. Oh, yes, that is it. And maybe a little one there. Okay, I love it. Love it. That is my overall finished spread for work. I'm gonna go ahead and write in my meetings, and then I will show it all once it's done. All right, and the last thing I'm gonna write in here is notes. But I really love the look of the spread. I think the colors are beautiful. I love the blue and the purple, but I also love the use of the gray mild liner in here. I'm really enjoying including mild liners and tombos in the overall color scheme. All right, I'm just gonna leave that as is because I absolutely love it. It's not really summery, but it feels just beautiful. And I know there's a ton of florals here and around the middle, but I really like that. And I mean, I compare it to the week before, and yes, the middle looks exactly the same. And I'll compare it to even like this floral spread. Looks completely different. And then this spread, it looks completely different, even though the guts of the spread in the middle are the same. There's ways that you can make the spread look different just in the placement of the stickers, the colors of the mild liners or tombos you use. There's so many ways you can make a work planner look different every week. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.